So here is a sample definition essay. We're going to go through it just so you can kind of see what exactly is expected of you. First, we have a pretty good opening which defines the topic right here in the thesis statement. So point 1, we'll look at rewards, and point 2, we'll look at punishment. Nicely organized. What's missing here is a transition. First, to begin. Initially, you should use a transition to start each body point and the conclusion. In addition to that, it should be offset with a comma. So this point should cover how upright deeds are rewarded and should be rewarded in order to define justice. Notice how specific the details are here. Bystander helps a choking person by giving him the Heimlich maneuver. A rib has been broken in the process of trying to save the person's life. Pretty specific example, and it carries all the way through. Well done. Second body point, missing a transition. To continue, comma. Another way is when a person has done something wrong. This is the second way that justice is defined because a punishment must follow. And here's a great example. So we have a drunken driver hits and kills a young couple. Again, very specific example. Now we have the family and friends will not be at rest until he's put behind bars and never allowed to drive again. Justice must be served. Down here at the bottom, it changes to a different example. A child wanting the same amount of goldfish. This example isn't too bad, but I don't know that it's necessary. But it's all about the sense of justice being that something is wrong. Either way, two pretty good body points. And then we get to the ending here, which should be another transition to conclude, to finish. And notice how the writer introduces new information. Pretty good. All in all, it's 4 paragraphs. This one is 626 words. Yours does not have to be quite this long, but it should be organized in 4 paragraphs using transitions with 2 very specific body points. If you don't have 2 very specific body points, it's going to be almost impossible to define the topic, which should be right up here in the introduction. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know.